Good morning children. How are you? So in our last lecture we studied with our first unit, okay? So everyone take out your English Bal Bharati textbook, okay? Third standard, take out your English Bal Bharati textbook. So in first unit what did we study? Our first poem. What was our first poem? A Pretty Game. So everyone learned the poem? Yeah, very good. Good children. So today we will be taking up second lesson, okay? So it's page number 2. Take out your page number 2. I'll read the lesson and explain you, okay? See, point out your finger, take your pencil, underline the hard words and write the meaning over there, okay? So what is the lesson number 2? What is the name of the lesson? Can anyone tell me? Read children, look at your textbook. Second lesson is Go and Come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden. So what is written here? There was a small child who lived in a cottage. What is the meaning of cottage? Underline the word cottage. Cottage means a small pretty house, okay? What is cottage? Meaning of cottage? Small house, okay? So once upon a time there lived a small boy with his family in a small house, that is cottage, okay? The cottage was surrounded by the garden, okay? Then different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. So the cottage was surrounded by garden, isn't it children? So there was so much of work to do there. What all work we do? If we have a big garden, we should cut the plants, clean, watering plants, isn't it children? Yeah. The same way the boy also had a lot of work to do. The plants had to be watered every day. Means every day we should give water, right? 2 times, morning and at evening. We should water our plants, isn't it children? Yeah. They had to be given manure from time to time. What do you mean by manure? Underline the word manure. Manure means material mixed with soil to grow up plants. Manure is a material that we get from the market which is mixed with the soil. We mix that manure with soil so that our plants grow faster, okay? Farmers also use, do you know farmers? Yeah, they also use manure to grow their plants so that we get nice, good vegetables, healthy vegetables and fruit, isn't it? Yeah. Now, they had to be cut and pruned at right time. Means every time the plants grow, we should cut it. Means whenever we cut the plants, it will grow more. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. What is the meaning of weeding? Removing unwanted plants. Means when we have a garden, only wanted plants doesn't come there, isn't it? Unwanted small plants also comes. So we have to remove that. So our garden will be neat and clean, okay? Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. So everybody in their family, that child's family, everybody helped him to clean the garden, to water the garden. Everyone in his family helped him. The second paragraph. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for few days. What happened then? After so many days, his uncle was very strict, okay? Then that uncle came to live with them for very few days. But how was his uncle? Very strict, okay? Do you have uncle? They are also strict like this? Yeah. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. What did the uncle believe? The uncle always want discipline, okay? And hard work. Everyone should work hard. So the uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. What did the uncle saw? One day the boy was playing around the house. He didn't water the plants, he didn't cut the plants, he didn't clean his garden. He was just playing, okay? Then what happened? See children? Little boy, said the uncle. What the uncle said? Little boy, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. What the uncle said? The uncle said, there is more work in your garden. Go and clean your garden. Okay? What did the child say? But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. The little boy, the small boy, wanted to play that day. He don't wanted to do the work. So children, whenever every day we tell you to study. Do you study every day? Sometimes you tell to us, na, I want to play. The same way the child said, I want to play. I will not do today any work. I can't do it, he said. What did he say? I can't do it. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. What the uncle said? Oh yes, you can. So uncle told him, go and work. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. What did little boy said? I'll not do now. After some words I'll do. Okay? After some time I will do cleaning, weeding, everything I'll do. But now I want to play. Okay? Then what happened? See? But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty. But go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. What the uncle said? You have to do it now itself. Don't be naughty. Go and do your work. Get up and go. How the uncle ordered? Uncle ordered him, get up and go outside to clean the garden. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. How was the uncle? He was well disciplined. Okay? The same way he used to like hard work. He was also a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. Then what happened? The uncle went to the another room for his work. Okay, he was also hardworking. He also had some work, so he went to the another room to work. But what did the child do? He didn't go out to clean the garden. He sat there still. He didn't move from the place. Okay. Then he felt that his uncle was being unfair. He felt that uncle is very cruel. He is always telling me go and work. I want to play now. So what did the child think? That his uncle is unfair. His chin began to wobble. What do you mean by wobble? To move. His chin began to move. Underline the word wobble and write to move. Okay. And had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. So underline the word lump. Right over there. Carry somewhere with difficulty. Carry somewhere with difficulty. So he was afraid of his uncle. If I don't do the work, the uncle will shout at me. But then too he didn't move from there. Okay. But he was afraid. Then what happened, see children? Just then his mother walked in. Then what happened? His mother came there. Whose mother? A little child's mother came over there. Okay. Then what happened? What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? What did the mother say to the child? What's the matter? What's the problem, little child? What she said? What's the problem? What happened? Why are you so unhappy? What happened? She asked him. Okay. What did the child say? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little child. The little child told to his mother, the uncle told me to weed the garden, means to clean the garden, and uncle told me to clean the garden, but I don't want to clean. Oh, said his mother. What said? His mother said, oh, what fun that will be. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you weed? So, what did the mother say? Oh, what a fun it would be. What she said? We will go to the work. I love weeding. She told the little child that I love cleaning garden. So let's do together. Okay. Why? Yes, said the boy. So the mother asked him, shall I come with you to help you? What did the child say? Yay, come. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. What did his mother say? Come, we'll do it now. Then see what the boy did, okay? The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. What did the boy? The boy liked to work with his mom. What did his mom tell? That we both will clean our garden. So come on, we'll do it now. The boy immediately got up. The and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. The boy immediately got up and went with his mother outside, okay, to clean the garden. They both enjoyed the weeding of the garden. They both had a good time together, okay. They worked, they talked with each other, and they were laughing. So this lesson is adapted from Go and Come. This lesson is adapted by the Laura E. Richards, okay. So we will take our meanings. I will be reading the meanings. Just look into your textbook. Cottage, a small simple house. We usually see cottages in a rural area. Manure, material mixed with soil to help plants grow. Next, ruined, remove dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. Next, weeding, removing troublesome unwanted plants from a field or a garden. Next, sadly, badly, very much. Used with the words like needed or unwanted. Next, welled up, filled with water or tears. Okay? So children, you have to do this exercise. First one is answer the following questions. First is, was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? Okay, you have to write the answer of this question. Next, was the boy naughty? Was the boy naughty? You have to write the answer, okay, in your notebook. Next, did the boy's mother want him to do work? This also you have to write the answer.